Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Apple released the iOS 16 developer beta months ago. We can try to use the iOS 16 beta and send to feedback to Apple to improve this iOS version. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install the iOS 16 beta on your iPhone. First, we need to know what kinds of iPhone is supported by iOS 16. As we can see, it support almost iOS devices except the devices older than iPhone 8, so the iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 are getting abandoned. Before we install the iOS 16 beta on your iPhone, I recommend you back up your iPhone first, so, connect your iPhone to iTunes, and click Backup Now. The data version always have some bugs, so backup your data is a safe way to protect your iPhone data from beta errors. Once the backup is finished, open Safari on iPhone, type the address, betaprofiles.com. Here you can find the latest iOS or iPadOS beta profile, click the Install Profile option, and tap Install Anyways. Allow the download, then close the window when the download is finished. Go to the settings, here you can see a profile download option, tap it, and follow the on-screen guide to tap Install. Then tap Restart to apply the changes. Once the restart is completed, go back to the settings, tap General and Software Update. Now iOS 16 beta is available to download and install, tap it. This step might take a while, just make sure your internet is connected. After the installation is finished, you can see the lock screen is different, that's the iOS 16 beta. You can go the settings to check if it's running iOS 16 beta. You can check out what's new in iOS 16. Or you can subscribe TunesKit iOS Solutions channel. We'll be posting videos about what's new on iOS 16 and downgrade iOS 16 to iOS 15.5. That's it for today's video tutorial. Thanks for watching, see you next time.